Hello guys, my name is Anniina and I'm a mechanical engineer. And today we are in the 24MX garage and I'm hosting this episode where we are going to make this 2013 KTM to look like brand new again. So now we are going to tear this bike down and change all the worn out parts. We are going to go through the engine and also the chains, the bearings, the sprockets, and then we are going to check the brakes. So let's get this thing started. So here's the parts that we already know that we are going to replace. This very nice triple clamp, Scalvini handmade exhaust, oversized brake discs from braking, also the brake pads are from there, 20 sprockets, very cool titanium foot pegs from 20, parts to the engine which is from Prox, and we have these Talon wheels which are going to look amazing. I'm so excited, let's do this. Now I'm just going to remove these plastics because we're going to renew all the plastics and we need to take everything off that we can get the engine out. I'm taking out the exhaust. Now I'm taking off the battery, the air filter off. Very dirty. So I'm removing this clamp from this fuel line now, then we can get it off. So you need to be careful that you don't get any dirt in your carburetor. Some kind of towel or something which is clean. Okay, so now it's the last part. We're going to take the engine out. Very heavy. Okay, so now the engine is out and we are going to send it to the engine builder for a service. Stay tuned. Oh no, I forgot to clean the frame. Why am I doing this? More power to the bike. Weight, aluminium, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, or not.